Welcome to Enerflo. When you first log in, you'll see your homepage dashboard with the company leaderboard and a quick overview of your leads, deals, installs, reporting, appointments, and tasks. Now that you've logged in, let's run through the basics of Enerflo. You can click on your name in the top right corner and find links to your schedule, tasks, and user profile. Let's look at your user profile by clicking Edit My Profile from the drop-down menu. Here you can edit your contact info, update your password, link your Google account, manage notifications, and set your schedule. Clicking the V2 user profile link at the top of the page takes you to your V2 profile settings. Here you can add a profile picture and see the sales orgs you have permission to access. Click the Integrations tab and enter in your email addresses that are specific to any integrations you will use. Make sure to click Save when you're done to avoid errors down the road. To view your schedule in Enerflo, click on your name in the top right corner of the screen and then select My Schedule. This will take you to your schedule view. This gives a quick glance at all of your upcoming appointments. To access the Learning portal, click your name in the top right corner of the screen and then select Learning. From the Learning homepage, you can navigate to the catalog to search for and enroll in additional learning courses. To view your leads, click Leads on the left-hand menu bar. All leads assigned to you will show in this view. To add a new lead, click on Plus New Deal in the top right. Fill in all the information about your lead and click Continue. If you want to create a deal off of this lead, make sure the Create a Sales Deal box is checked. Now that you've created a lead and a deal, let's get started with our deal flow. The stages that show on the left-hand side will show completed by turning green as you move through each one. Start at the top and move down through each stage. Some installers have a pre-qualification stage while others begin directly with consumption. Next, you'll need to complete the consumption profile. Consumption data is required to calculate offset and create a proposal. Select the correct utility, enter in any usage information, and click Done. Now, find the Design Stage section. Click on New Design to create your design request. If you're using Arealytic as your design tool, the AI will automatically start working on the design. Don't navigate away from this page. It takes about 90 seconds for the AI to complete. Just sit back and let the AI do its thing. And there you have it. Your AI-powered design is ready to go. Review and make any adjustments if needed, and then move forward with your deal. Now it's time to create a proposal. This is how you'll present the system and pricing to your customer. Click on Create Proposal to generate a proposal. Select adders, discounts, financing method, and product, and fill in the base PPW, and then click Save and calculate pricing. If you need to update pricing, adders, or discounts after the proposal has been created, click Edit, make the changes, and then click Update Pricing to update your proposal. Click the Proposal button to present to your customer. The Finance Terms slide shows the cost breakdown of the system, including any adders, federal tax rebates, discounts, etc. Click the financing option within this slide to change if needed. When you're ready to apply for financing, simply click Apply Now to navigate to the finance application stage of the deal. Financing is simple with Enerflo. Start your finance application by clicking Apply Now. Your customer will enter in their information and apply for financing without ever having to leave Enerflo. Make sure to fill out all the required fields carefully to avoid getting errors. Once you've entered all the details, click Submit. The application will be sent to the financier for review. You'll see within just a few minutes if your customer was approved, and that's it. Completing financing for your customers is quick and easy with Enerflo. To generate a contract, simply click View Contract on the contracting stage. This window lets you edit the customer information before signing. If you need to add a cosigner or NEM signer, you can do so here. Once you've filled everything out, just click Save. Alright, It's time to get this document signed. Click the red Sign in Person button at the bottom of the page to have the customer sign on your device, or the Email Agreement button to email the agreement to your customer and have them sign on their own device. This is where the magic happens. Enerflo will guide you through the signing process step by step. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Click on each highlighted field and sign or initial it using your mouse or a touchscreen. Enerflo makes it so easy to sign electronically. Once you've signed everything, click Continue. That's it. The document is now signed and ready to be processed. After your contract has been signed, you will need to submit the project. Go back to the deal or click Installer Next Steps on the contract. Add in any additional information to this section that the installer requires. This may include site survey pictures or gathering information about the homeowner. Once you've completed project submission, click Submit Project. Click Complete and Lock Deal to lock the deal. Please note that this will prevent any changes from being made, so only click this button if you are absolutely sure that the project is ready to be locked. If you get stuck, it's easy to get in touch with our support team. Just click on your name in the top right corner and then Talk to Enerflo. Click on Send Us a Message to be connected with our AI agent, but don't worry, if the AI agent can't answer your questions, our support team is available Monday through Saturday from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific Time. And that's it. You've successfully learned the basics of Enerflo.